People ask me all the time, like, Jimmy, how do you find golden opportunity? How do you find unicorn company before it explode? And what I want to tell you, this is one of the best way for me to find golden opportunity. It is you have to understand your surrounding. You have to put down your phone, guy, and pay attention to what around you. Take a look what around you, right? Pay attention to the surrounding, because one of the best way to find unicorn company, find 10x company, is understand your surrounding. Understand what is the problem around you. Understand what people really complain about. So let me give you a perfect example. Back then, when I remember the time back then when I used to do online marketing, and I use this software all the time, guys. I use this software to communicate through video conference. I talk to my staff. I coach my student 5 years ago, right? This software is called Zoom, and I use it all the time. But then I didn't pay attention to the pattern, like of the need that I need to use that, and my friend is using that, and my mentor is using that. And if I understand the fact that this software is something that I need, everyone around me is using it, then I could have invested into Zoom a long time ago before Zoom really explode. So I was too late in the game, because what happened is when Zoom go into public, when the mass aware of it already, when the majority aware of it already, it's kind of a little bit too late in the game already, right? You're still gonna make some money, but it's gonna be a little too late. So the best way is you have to pay attention to what going on around you before it explodes. Let me give you another story. Like, I remember back then, like Fiverr. I used to go onto Fiverr online and try to hire people, right? I try to hire the people for voiceover. I hire people for online marketing, some part of online marketing. I hire people on Fiverr for designing as well. And I saw Fiverr, they expand everywhere online, but they haven't go to IPO yet. They haven't go to the public yet. So if back then I pay attention to like why so many marketers using Fiverr, and I have to use Fiverr as well, then most likely this company is a need that eventually it's going to explode. And guess what happened? I didn't invest into Fiverr during that time because I didn't know how to invest. But if I can go back in time, I will pay attention to the thing that I use daily. The key in it is, what is the thing that you use daily is a need? What is the thing that people complain about, and pay attention to that, right? And eventually you will find the unicorn very fast. So now, question is, Jimmy, so you're telling me all this story is great. So what is the next unicorn? What is the golden opportunity right now? Let me tell you this. I really think that two companies is the unicorn right now, is to have the potential to 10x. The first company is IPOE, which is SoFi. The reason why I say SoFi is really, it's a unicorn, it's a need, because now when I go to, let's say when I go to fitness, working out, I saw the advertisement from IPOE, SoFi on the TV all the time. It's about like loan, it's about investment, and they expand that like all over the TV all the time. And I realized that so many people nowadays, especially students, they need loan for the student loan, and it's $1 trillion market. And on top of that, I see that investment nowadays, playing stock is a need. I play stock myself. So many people play stock, and it's a need. And I think SoFi app is an all-in-one app. It's a really need in the future, and I see that happen all around me. So I really see that SoFi is going to be a 10x. And the next thing is Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin, why do I talk about Dogecoin all the time? Why I think Dogecoin is the future? Because first of all, Dogecoin is an image, right? Everyone talk about, even the elementary kid. I heard from my my nephew, he say in his class, kid is making fun about Dogecoin, and Dogecoin everyone really know. So that is the sign, guys. The surrounding, kids start to notice, right? And kids start talk about it. That is a good sign. And right now, cryptocurrency is on the rise. Tesla accept Bitcoin. Visa accept Bitcoin. They accept crypto, right? More institutions start to accept Bitcoin, accept crypto. That's what that really meant for Dogecoin is. I saw crypto is on the rise, and I know Dogecoin is going to have a huge position. It's going to expand a lot in the future, and that's how I detect opportunity. Listen to what people say. Listen to what people talk about. Listen to their problem. Listen to your surrounding, and you will find a unicorn before it's even to go to the public and people aware of it, right? So that is the key, guys. Pay attention to your surrounding. Put your phone down and pay attention to the problem. All right, guys. Good luck and invest like a genius.